Most affiliates don't fail because they're lazy. They don't fail because they're bad at marketing. They don't fail because they picked the wrong program. They fail because they blend in. And in a space where thousands of people are promoting the same thing with the same funnels, with the same screenshots, with the same scripts, blending in is the fastest way to disappear. So, if you ever felt like people scroll right past your content without even noticing you, you're not imagining it. Have you ever posted something you thought would hit hard and it got ignored like it never existed? This blog is going to show you exactly why people aren't joining you and what to do about it. Let's get into it. Now, it looks like I'm reading this page. I kind of am, because it is a secret hack that I'm showing you today to make your stuff rank on Google, and I'm going to show proof if you just stick with me. Google and YouTube, especially YouTube, but I've been ranking like gangbusters on Google too, okay? So you can do this too, and it doesn't matter what you're promoting, okay? I'm blogging with a specific blogging platform that will help you earn even more money and rank much quicker, especially if you use this strategy. This is how to stand out in affiliate marketing, 5 reasons people join other affiliates instead of you. So this is how to stand out in affiliate marketing even if you feel invisible right now, okay? Let's get into it. Why people don't join you, the real reason people that nobody talks about. Most affiliates think people aren't joining because they need better scripts, they need better funnels, they need better traffic, they need better timing, or they need better luck. But the truth is much simpler. People don't join you because they don't feel connected to you. And that brings us to the first big problem. How to stand out in affiliate marketing? Stop looking like everyone else. Okay? Here's the harsh truth. If your content looks like everyone else's, if your posts sound like everyone else's, if your funnel is the same as everyone else's, then you're not competing. You're camouflaged. People scroll right past you because nothing about you signals leadership, stability, authority, identity, or trust. And in affiliate marketing, network marketing, digital marketing, trust is the currency. If they don't trust you, they won't join you. When you look at your own content, does it actually feel like you, or does it feel like a copy of what everyone else is posting? How to stand out in affiliate marketing, why sending people to company funnels hurts you. If you're sending people straight to a company funnel like your people told you or your upline told you or the company told you, you're building their brand, not yours. Let's break down the real reason this keeps hurting you. People don't follow funnels. People follow leaders. When you send someone directly to a company funnel, here's what usually happens. You disappear from the process. The moment they click, the company takes over. Your voice is gone, your presence is gone, your leadership is gone. You look like every other affiliate. If 10,000 affiliates are promoting the same funnel, then what makes you different? Nothing. You get one shot at to get the sale. And who buys the first time? Do you? Or do you have to hear about the company more than once? It usually takes at least 5 times. You lose the trust building moment. The first impression is everything. If the first thing they see is the company, not you, you lose the emotional connection. You train people to trust the company, not you. And when the company is the authority, people join under whoever they saw last, whoever they saw next, whoever they felt more connected to. You become replaceable. If your entire brand is a link, you're not a brand, you're a billboard, okay? And billboards don't get chosen. The part that hurts the most and why it keeps happening. Here's the real scenario affiliates never admit. Someone sees your content, they check your profile, they read your message, they even open it, and then they leave you on red. No reply, no follow-up, no questions, and a few days later, they join someone else, and that person gets the money and the commission. Okay? You're left thinking, but they saw my message. Why didn't they join under me? Sorry, my headset is slipping, so if you hear extra noise, that's what it is. Led by you. They didn't feel branded by you. People don't join the person they saw first. They join the person who made them feel the safest. And if your brand isn't strong, you're forgotten the moment they leave your inbox. How to stand in affiliate marketing, build a branded funnel that puts you in control. This is the turning point. You're not failing because you're bad at marketing. You're failing because you're building the wrong person's business. If you're sending people straight to a company funnel, you're building their list, you're building their landing page, you're building their authority, you're building their brand. The solution is simple, but most people avoid it. You need a branded funnel. A funnel that shows your face, uses your voice, builds your authority, grows your list, and positions you as the leader. Because the people making money aren't doing anything magical. They're just doing what you're not doing yet. They're building their own ecosystem, not the company's. How to stand on affiliate marketing? Stop building the company's list and start building your own. You've heard the phrase, the money's in the list, right? But here's the part nobody explains. The money is in your list. Not the company's, not the system, not the gurus. Yours. Because when you own the list, you own the relationship. You own the trust. You own the follow-up. You own the positioning. You own the income. A company can shut down, a comp plan can change, a funnel can get outdated, but your list is forever. Okay? If you knew that building your own branded funnel would finally put you in control of your leads, your trust, and your income, what's stopping you from starting today? These are my exclusive bonuses. I'm going to make this a link. You see how this is 74 right here? Okay? Watch this. Give me a second, and I think I have it right here. We'll try it. This is not it. Okay, give me half a second. I need the link. Okay, so give me just bear with me. I'll be right there. So we're gonna go to 2. Okay, we're looking for a specific one, right? I'm getting a lot of different blogs in here. Okay, so I want to go to copy the link. Bear with me. All right. Now watch this. This needs to be 74. It's 79. I can publish it now. These are hacks, okay? This gives you everything you need to do, okay? See how these are green? So this they're telling me what the problem is and what I need to do to make this rankable, okay? And this is another hack because this site has been around and they've been posting on it for 12 years at least doing their blog, okay? So instead of doing take weeks, months, years, mostly like a lot of months of consistent content, you can post and rank in days. I'm actually ranking my stuff before my video even comes out, okay? Before it's hidden, okay? Because I premiere it. So it could be anywhere from a couple days from now to about 8 or 12 days from now, okay? And they're actually ranking on Google and YouTube. And I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about right here, okay? And we'll go back to the thing. Now we're going to go Dreamtrips review. It doesn't matter the company. I'm doing a different one every day, okay? Number 1 on Instagram. Now look at this. Number 1, this is Google, and I'm incognito. There's my Instagram post. Here's my Instagram post. So there's 2 because I'm doing a video and a blog, okay? This is a week ago. This is 6 days ago. This is my video. This is my blog, okay? And look, it's another Instagram, okay? There's my YouTube. There's my actual blog. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 4 pieces of the content. I think it's more than that, but you see it all on the first page of Google. Now, I'm going to go to YouTube, okay? I'm going to copy this. All right, now we're going to go to YouTube, okay? Now look, I'm going to refresh it. Dreamtrips review, number 1 on YouTube, okay? Now I'm going to take out some of these terms, right? Number 1 still. Okay, we're going to take out real research, okay? What I found. Let's do that first. What I found. Number 1, number 2, okay? We're going to try real research. Number 2. Actually, that's a sponsored video, so number 1, okay? What I found is what haven't we checked? Dreamtrips review outsider, okay, as an outsider. We'll try that. Number 1, see, this is what happens when you follow a daily set of the daily set of operations, okay? A daily mode of operations, okay? and you actually get the real training on what really, really works, okay? We will teach you, we'll teach your people and your people's people. But back to the Dreamtrips review, okay? Now I've actually shown you proof. We'll go back to the review. So, these are my exclusive bonuses, okay? And we have that link now, right? When you join my team, you don't just get access to a program. These are just some of the bonuses you get, by the way. And your people get it, and their people get it. And our training. You get access to a system that builds your brand, your business, and your income while giving your team the exact same advantage. Notice, I didn't say join my business, okay? No matter what you're promoting, we'll build you a custom branded funnel, and we'll build your team a custom branded funnel, and we'll be their team a custom branded funnel, etc. They're generational bonuses, okay? Here are the 3 core bonuses you get immediately. There's more than this, but these are the ones I'm mentioning right now. A custom branded funnel built for you. This is the game changer. We build you a funnel that makes you stand out instantly. Not a company funnel, not a generic template, but a branded system that positions you as a leader. It works for your primary business, helps you build your own list, and finally puts you in control of your growth. A fully duplicatable team system. Your team gets the same bonuses you get. Their team gets them too. Everyone gets trained. Everyone grows. Everyone makes more money. Okay? You help more people. This creates stability, retention, and momentum because your people aren't left guessing what to do. They get a plug-and-play system that builds their business and yours at the same time. 150 done for you emails, okay? These emails build know, like, and trust on autopilot while you're out living your life. They warm up your leads, nurture your audience, and help you convert without being glued to your phone. And yes, your team gets them too, so everyone can grow consistently. Even more bonuses, okay? I don't know why that plus sign is there. Even when you'll find the full list on my bonus page, everything is laid out clear so you know exactly what you're getting. See all the bonuses here. Okay, that's incorrect. I'll fix that later. Ready to build a business that finally puts you in control? If you're tired of blending in, if you're tired of sending people to company funnels that don't convert, if you're tired of watching people join someone else after you did the work, then step into a system that builds your brand, your authority, your list, and your income while giving your team the tools to win too. Okay? Now, I've shown you ranking proof. I've shown you how this badass network that's the key to ranking, okay? And the strategy we use, which is to do a blog and then record yourself reading the blog. You don't have to put yourself on camera. That's just something I do to brand myself, okay? I put and you see right here, okay? Let me get a video real quick, a recent one. Recent blog, right? So let's go John Solly's blog. Look, I'm branding myself. Okay? I'm branding myself. That's something I choose to do. You don't have to do that, okay? You don't have to put yourself on camera. You don't have to put yourself in the pics, etc. But I'm branding me, okay? I'm branding me, and I'm doing these company review videos. I'm not even posting about my main opportunity. Okay, that's another traffic hack, okay? People will be searching for these things, and they'll come up with what your real review is, whether it's positive or negative, and what you suggest, okay? It's just another hack, because I've done a ton of HBA videos. I've ranked them all, okay? But now I'm doing another hack my mentor taught me, and we'll teach you, and we'll train your people and your people's people, and you'll make 80% commissions and build whatever you want to build. And we'll train your people for you too. You just plug them into the system, and you make more money, and your people get trained. Win-win. This is JJ Solly, aka John Solly, aka your friendly neighborhood Solly man, and this is, let's go back to the post. Give me a half second. How to stand out on affiliate marketing. 5 reasons people join other affiliates instead of you. Okay? This is how to stand out in affiliate marketing even if you feel invisible right now. This is JJ Solly, aka John Solly, aka your friendly neighborhood Solly man. Don't delay. Get with JJ today. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.